Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about the uses of Kotlin programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Kotlin used for? Kotlin is a general purpose development language used mainly for Android mobile app development. Besides Android apps, Kotlin is also useful for the following: server-side development, back-end web app development traditionally uses Java. Kotlin can be used alongside Java for development on the server. Kotlin supports Java class libraries. Second, we have here full stack development. Developers use Kotlin for JavaScript to translate Kotlin lines of code into JavaScript for front-end web development. This approach lets them use the same code on the front and back ends. Third, we have here multi-platform mobile development. Developers use Kotlin for Android and other mobile platforms including Apple iOS, Apple watchOS, and Linux. Fourth, we have here data science. Kotlin is often used for data science tasks such as building data pipelines and putting machine learning models into production. Jupyter and Zeppelin, two popular data science tools used with Java, also support Kotlin. Organizations that create Android applications use Kotlin can also use those skills to manage their cloud-based resources. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the uses of Kotlin programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.